Good morning, students. Today we are going to start a topic that is binary representation of numbers. So, before we do the binary system, we have to understand few other systems, that is decimal system. Decimal system is if the number is 2456, then we can write 2456. The base in this is 10. 2 into 10 raised to the power 3 plus 4 into 10 raised to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 raised to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 raised to the power 0. Then we have another system is that is called octal system. In octal system, if the number is 143, it can be written here. Octal system base is 8. 8 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into 8 plus 7 into 8 raised to the power 0. Third is ternary system. In this, base is 3. 14 is equal to 1 into 3 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into 3 raised to the power 1 plus 2 into 3 raised to the power 0. And the last is the binary system, which is important, which is our topic of today, that is binary system. If we have 13, the binary system, the base is 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. Here the base is 2. So now let's do one sum of the binary system where we should be able to understand how it goes. The first is how to write the number in the binary number. Example 1 is convert the following numbers or decimal numbers into binary numerals. The first question is 9, second is 14, and third is 120. So first we divide 9. We have to divide by 2 only. When we divide by 2, and we will write here remainders. 2 divided by this is 4, the remainder is 1, and we will write here 2 raised to the power 0. Then 2 divided by 4 is 2, the remainder is 0, 2 raised to the power 1. Again 2 divided by 2 is 2 divided by 2 is 1, again the remainder is 0, 2 raised to the power 2, and the last place is 0 because 0 is left, and the remainder is 1, and this will be 2 raised to the power 2. So the answer in this question now will be, we'll start from here, it will be 1001 with base. If we want to check it, if we want to check it, it will be 1001. It will be 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. So it will be 8 plus 1. Answer will be. Second question was 14. Now 14 divided by 2, we will write here remainders. 14 divided by 2 is 7. So the remainder will be 0. Then 7 divided by 2, 2 3s are 6, remainder is 1. Again divided by 2, 2 1 2 and remainder is 1, and the last one will be 0. Remainder will be, so it will be 1110 with the base 2. And if we want to check, it is 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 0. So it will be 8 plus 4 plus 2, that will be 40. Question 3, it is 128. Remainder divided by 2, 64, remainder is 0. Divided by 2, 32, remainder is 0. Divided by 2, 16, the remainder is 0. Divided by 2, remainder is 0. 2 divided by 4, the remainder is 0. 2 divided by 2, remainder is 0. 2 divided by 1, the remainder is 0. So this is 1, last one will be 0 and 2. So it will be 1 2 3 4 3 4 5 6 7 with the base 2. Now if we want to do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 1 into 2 raised to the power 7. The rest will be 0 into 2 raised to the power 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 0. Answer will be 120. This is how we will solve the sums. Now if we want to check, now when we have a binary number is given, how to change binary number into decimal form. Question number 1 is 1012. So it will be 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. This is 4 plus 1. Answer will be 5. B. 10011. This is 2. So this is 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 2 3 4 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. This will be 2 2 4 16 plus 0 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1. 16 to 90. Number 3. C is 1 1 1 1 1 2. So now how we will do? 1 2 3 4 5. 1 into 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. 16 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 1. This is 20 30. Answer will be 31. And the last one, D, is 1 0 0 1 1 0 1 2. So now how we'll do this? This will be 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 1 into 2 raised to the power 6 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 5 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 4 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 3 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 2 plus 0 into 2 raised to the power 1 plus 1 into 2 raised to the power 0. 64 plus 0 plus 0 plus 8. 72 plus 4. 76 plus 1. 77. So this is how we change the number into the binary system. So we have another form is when it is in decimal form. How to change into the decimal form? Convert the fractional decimal. Convert fractional decimal into binary equivalent. So this is, we have convert 0.125 into binary equivalent. Binary equivalent. This is how to convert the fractional decimal into binary equivalent. This is in decimal, fractional. This is 125 by basically 1000 to the binary. So first of all we write the decimal fraction, then we write the product, and then we write the binary. As we know that in binary the base is 2, so we'll go by that. 0.125 will multiplied by 2, it will be 2.50. So binary is 0. So then 0.250 into 2, it will be 0.500. Again binary is 0. So 0.50 into 2, it will be 1.00. Binary is, meaning by we will keep on multiplying with 2 till we reach at 1 point something. So the answer will be now 0.001 with the base. Now we can do one more sum, that is 0.825. We have to change decimal, product and binary. Decimal is 0.825. Product will be 250 and 1.625. This is 1. So now 6250 into 2. It will be 1.2500. Again 1. 0.25 into 2 it will be 0.5001 0.5000 into 2 is 1.00, it will be 1. So now the answer will be 0.1101. Now we have a question where we have to convert 59.36 to binary form. We have to convert 59 separately, the remainder divided by 2, it is 229, remainder is 1. 2 14, remainder is 1. 2 7, remainder is 0. 2 3, remainder is 1. 2 1, the remainder is 1, and 2 remainder is 1. So the answer for 59 will be 111011. So now we have to convert 0.36 decimal, 0.36 into 2, then product and binary. We'll multiply this by, it will be 0.72, binary is 0. 0.72 into 2, binary will be 1.44, again it will be 1. So 0.44 into 2, 0.880, 0.88 into 2, 1.76, 1, 0.76 into 2, it will be 1.52, again 1. 0.52 into 2 is 1.04. Now if we see that it has come to the nearest to the 0, so that will be our answer. It will be 0.10111 point. So the final answer will be 111.010111 base. This is 1. Thank you very much.